During summer destinations here in Sapporo, ito talaga yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang destinations to visit. Kahit paglabas ng kotse, ang bagal.
Parang sila na malamig eh.
Is parang amoy laway. Mga ibang gas-gas daw, galing daw sa amin. You have to consider the tolls, the gas, the parking. You really wanna maximize the area because wala namang ganito sa Pilipinas. We really want to slow down and maximize each attraction. Sobrang ganda, sobrang breathtaking. As in, para kang nasa ibang mundo. Para kang nasa fairy tale book. So pretty! Hirap talaga pala mag-content creation at mag-lead ng tour. Hindi ko kinakaya. Good morning! Good morning! Second day in Sapporo. So, buying breakfast kami, mga best ko. Ang aming atake is always convenience store kasi mas mabilis.
Sa morning lang.
Sa morning.
Sa dinner.
Pag dinner, proper dinner.
Malakasan eh.
Oo. Ganda dito man, no? Anong first impression mo dito?
Para kami sa Europe, no? Ha? Nag-work kami panic sa Kapagod.
Oh.
Pero, wala.
Compare sa Tokyo.
Sa Tokyo, parang na-enjoy ko sa Tokyo. Hindi ko ma-enjoy eh.
Dito?
Kasi bakit sa Tokyo, nakita ko mga babae nagbabike sila.
Mas maraming
Oo,
nangyayari.
marami nangyayari. Para
Wala pa kasi, dito kasi more on
parang-
tours.
Parang probinsya lang na na malamig eh.
Oo, ganun talaga
Pamaano
dito.
Eh. Oo.
Pero pagdating mo sa mga attraction, dito.
Okay, yun lang, pupuntahan mo talaga.
Oo, ganun.
Unlike sa Korea natin, paglabas mo, ay makita mo yung mga
Oo, iba na
babae,
yung culture,
iba na.
kita mo yung culture.
Ito parang ordinaryong lang siya eh. Parang malamig.
Oo, ayan yung vibe niya mga bestie ko. Simple lang talaga. Gusto kasi ni mama, paglabas niya daw sa bahay, marami ng mga kakaiba. Oo. So anyway, Lawson! Kano? 420. 420 ang toll.
Maaga kami matapos kasi napakalayo ang biyahe
Ano?
namin. Kailangan matapos ang tour namin ngayon
Nang?
ng hapon.
Para
Maaga.
mag-ukay-ukay.
Para
makauwi na at magpahinga and then tomorrow biyahe na naman. Secret.
Ukay-ukay. Nahihiya siya lagi sa ukay-ukay niya. Kung nakita niyo yung vlog ko nung sa Shanghai, no? Dahil buong araw kami naghanap ng ukay-ukay. Naalala mo yun, Ma, yung nasa Shanghai tayo? Naghanap talaga kami ng ukay-ukay niya. Maalam mo ba, maganda ang ukay-ukay, huwag kang mahiya. Sustainable yan. You are caring for the earth. Totoo nga.
Bakit naging
Kasi syempre, ang pagpapagawa ng mga bagong gamit, nagko-consume din yan ng waste here in the earth.
Bakit to red? Wala namang dahil sa stock.
Ay, ano ba tinatanong mo yung sa ukay-ukay or...
Huge.
Wala na, iba na. Next topic na, guys. Ayan, may parking tayo.
How are you?
I think it's free. Libre, pay parking ba
Did you say happy
to?
birthday?
Aside from co-pilot, ako din ang taga-guide sa parking. Ano ba tong ano ko? Ano bang pinagagawa ko sa hair ko? Tsaka nes. O, go! So, ayan ang aming car, mga bestie ko. Meet. Ano nga name nito pa? Ano yung pinangalanan natin sa kanya? Hondi. Ayan si Hondi. Isang Honda. Ano tawag dito sa car nito pa?
Honda Fit pala.
Honda Fit. We booked this through Klook. Again, all the details, tips, guide, how we did all of this, and yung mga kailangan yung malaman. Basta everything, I discussed it on the previous vlog. So, check nyo na lang. But yes, ayan siya. Reason ko why I rented a car instead of booking tours is because first, I think, hindi pa namin napoprove, depende yan sa end of this trip, na this is cheaper. Again, with the rental fee pa lang, cheap na. But then, you have to consider the tolls, the gas, the parking. We'll calculate everything at the end of this trip and balitaan ko kayo kung mas mura bang mag-rent ng car. Then second, of course, the flexibility. senior na yung parents ko. So, ayaw nila yung mga super agang trip. Usually, pagka mga tours dito sa Sapporo, you have to wake up early. You have to leave your hotel early and go to the pick-up point early. Hindi ka ipipick up sa hotel. May mga options na ganun, pero mas mahal siya. So, imagine, on a daily basis, for us to reach one location or for us to experience one tour, we have to wake up, commute, diba? Tapos, again, mababagal silang kumilos. At si mama sobrang addict sa picture. So, we really want to slow down and maximize each attraction. Saan si mama? Hindi na lumabas. Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, kahit paglabas ng kotse, ang bagal. Oh, she's really taking her time. So, ganyan. If we will be on a tour, limited lang. So, for example, isang tour, isang attraction, 45 minutes lang, 30 minutes lang. So, bitin talaga yan, lalo kay mama. Bitin na bitin. Ano?
This is mom's calls.
Wow, red na
mom.
red. Merry Christmas. And mas mapipili namin yung itinerary namin. So, for example, yesterday, we went to this, cemetery. And we only spent around mga 2 hours to explore around. Then afternoon, bet ni amats ni mama mag-shopping. So may shopping mall beside it. We had that option to customize our plans for that day. Pag nasa tour ka kasi, 'di ba? Fix talaga sis, fix talaga. Yun lang ang cons is si Papa pagod. Napapagod ka ba mag-drive?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman, no?
Yung kasi yung kalsada rito baligtad, kaya naninibago ako, medyo hassle.
Oo. Since kailan ka nag-start mag-drive pa? 20 plus?
Yung pagkapanganak ko sa'yo,
Oo.
pagkapanganak ng mama mo
So,
sa'yo.
31 years na siyang nagda-drive and 31 na ako pa eh. 31 years na siya nagda-drive and nung nasa Saudi pa kami, everyday yan nagta-travel ng ilang minutes pa. 1 hour din, no? Para sa trabaho niya. Malayo kasi talagang expressway level. So, sanay na yung mag-drive. Then, till now, nagda-drive pa rin siya kasi yan ang talagang amats niya. So, na-enjoy naman niya mag-drive. Yun lang. You have to, presence of mind talaga ng times 5 because baliktad yung kalsada. Pero, traffic-wise, wala, no? Wala. Mas masarap mag-drive dito kaysa sa Pilipinas. No? Sa Pilipinas kasi, mababad trip ka eh.
Kalsada baligtad.
Oo, kalsada baliktad. Oh, yes, mama. Ang dami ko nang nasabi. Diyan pa siya, oh. 'Di ba? Pag nasa tour kami, galit na ang tour guide kay mama. Pa nagpapa-picture sa kanyang car. Kay Hondi. Yes. Taray. Hindi siya free parking. For Premium Hotel Otaru or individual contractors only. Ayan, buti na lang may sign sa labas in Japanese. Tinranslate ko mga bestie ko. A fine of 30,000 yen will be charged to anyone found parking illegally. I think ito. Tignan ko to. Check ko to. So marami naman kasi mga parking. So for example, dito kami nag-park. Then ito meron ulit. Pero check ko ulit. Baka naman for the ano din to. For the private. I think this is also not. Hindi din. Private din siya. I actually asked the hotel beside if pwede ba talagang mag-park dito sa hotel na to. Sa parking na to. And yun nga, bawal daw. For hotel guests only. Ayan, so they gave us a map. Okay, perfect.
Coin parking.
Yes. Where?
Hotel.
This. And coin parking is this one.
Yes.
Okay. Public. So, ayan mga bestie ko. Good thing I asked the hotel. Marami naman din palang mga pay parking. So, you just have to figure out where to go. No? So, erase sa sinabi ko kanina, yes, maraming ang parking, but some of them may be private. So, take note nyo yan. So, for example, ito, private to, Day. How would you know if it's private? I believe, check the signs, translate it. Second, feel ko, pag may nakita kayong yung machine na coin or parang payment machine, yun siguro yung isa sa mga signs na, yes, it's a public parking. Pag wala, I don't know. Nakita kaming parking. First, we actually search on Google parking na near our place to visit. And now, nakita namin to. Ayan ang public parking.
Sana
Entry. Dito. So, ayan ang parking. May ganyan.
Pasok na tayo.
Tapos may ganon.
pasok tayo, no?
Oo, pasok muna. Sobrang helpful talaga ng Google Translate ko. Google Translate na may picture ha. Para at least, picturean mo lang yung gusto mong i-translate. For example, ayan. So for example, this one. Ito na lang, Besh. Sorry. Picturean ko. Then, wala pala akong internet. Basta pag may internet, i-translate na lang yung picture. Pasensya na, hindi pala ako nakakonect sa internet. Diyos ko. So ayan, meron na akong internet mga bestie ko. May sign here kung saan nagpa-park si Papa. Just to be sure, I want to translate it. And ano kayang nakasulat? To prevent exhaust fumes from turn off your engine while idling. Ano lang naman, parang reminder. So anyway, let's go to the payment machine. So ayan, nakapark na si Papa. Walang number. You just have to know siguro kung nasaang spot siya. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right side. So ayan, let's try to pay na. Search by date and time of entry. Okay. So we will just enter yung plate number because I think nare-record na ng CCTV dito. Yun ang aking assumption. So ang aking plate number is 2052. 2052. Confirm. One result. Ayan, ang galing oh. Is this your vehicle? Yes, pay for this vehicle. Date and time of entry. Date of entry is 11/16. I think you will pay after. You will pay after na. Okay? So, later na siya. So, ayan, update mga bestie ko. Pinindot ko ulit yung 3, tapos ito ulit. Then, siningil na kami ng 800 instead of 110 yen. Oh, bayad ka na pa. So, in my previous vlog mga bestie ko, I discussed how we got this car. So, yes,
Toilet.
during our whole trip
Toilet.
here in Sapporo, tsura ko, no? Nag-car rental lang kami. So, that's gonna be our mode of transportation during the whole trip of Sapporo. So, for you to be able to know the information and how to and stuff like that,
Saan ang ano
just
nito?
proceed to my previous vlog. Andun na po lahat ng mga details. So, ngayon, what's happening is we will be having our first gas refill. Hinahanap namin yung sa gas. Let's see. Ipapa-full tank ko ba pa?
Oo.
Medyo
Kalahati
kalahati na
yan.
yung na-consume
Hello, full
namin
tank
from
Mercy.
yesterday. Mag-a-add kami ng 4 bars.
Ako?
So, ayan, binigyan kami ng guide ng aming car rental company. So, ito daw. Regular daw dapat. Sama ako kay Papa. Ganito pala itsura ng mga gas stations here in Japan. I'm so sorry, I'm not a car driver, so I'm not sure kung normal ba to sa Pilipinas as well. I don't know. But, ito kami. Ayan, the red one. So, now, for the payment, I think DIY din to. You do it yourself. I don't know. So, ayan, you pay it through this machine. At least may staff naman to assist you. So, magpa-assist na lang muna kayo mga bestie ko on your first experience just to be sure. It's 144.3 per liter. Ikaw talaga gagawa. Tinuturuan ka. Okay.
Leto.
Then,
Ito?
yes. This. Ayan. O, pa, matuto ka kasi next time wala nang mag-a-assist sa atin. Ayan. Okay. Okay. How to know if it's full?
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Ay, hindi pa pala nag-umpisa. So, may pipindutin ka dito para mag-umpisa. Then, automatic na siya. Ayan. So, dito, makikita mo kung ilang liters na. So, nag-refill ng 8 liters, 0.77. Then, that's it. Tanggalin mo pa. Para matatanggalin. Ayan. Yon. Then, balik mo. Wow.
Ano ba tawag ito? Gasoline boy.
Gasoline boy pa. O, tas close mo. Ayos. DIY talaga sila mga bestie ko. Ayan o. Kahit sila. 'Di ba? Then, how much did you pay, Papa? Ito yung resibo mo.
Full tank. Full tank yun.
You paid
Ilan?
1,393.
Full tank na yan.
Galing. Taray. Taray, proud mama moment. Nagpa-picture sa harap ng gas station. So, ihahatid ko na sila sa cruise at bilang silang dalawa ang may amats mag-cruise. Masakit ang ulo ko, hindi ko kaya mag-cruise under the sun. Magkano ang cruise? 1,100 for a 40-minute cruise ride. Alright? So, ayan siya. Ayan yung station or kung saan kayo magbo-board. Doon, kita nyo ba? Ayun yung pinakadulo ng Canal Cruzor. Tama ba? Basically, ito yung pin sa mapa. Just in front of this hotel. And it's also in front of Letao. So, dito muna ako tatambay sa Letao. This is very famous. And sakto, meron silang cafe. Let's see. Sobrang famous nitong brand na to in Sapporo. This is the look of their cafe.
Had to clean up all her mess and burn the vintage dress. 45 till I die. Wow, I set my house on fire. Break the chains, I'm coming through. Try to catch me lying fools. Ask me twice.
Off to find my magulang. Ayan, huli ka, mama. Humihingi na naman ng water. In fairness, talaga may sikat. Ang daming mga turista. Ang bilis ng turnover ng mga turista dito. And yes, Sumatak Letao is actually a very, very famous, what do you call this? Souvenir shop here in Sapporo. It actually originated here in Otaru. And they were known because of the Hokkaido Dairy. And itong, anong nga nila? Yung cheesecake nila, wait, puntahan natin.
Oo, yung
So, trying their tarts na, naka-isang bite na ako actually, pero mas gusto ko pa rin yung bakehouse. Oo, di ba? Try ulit natin. Tingnan natin, baka second bite is better. Masarap, pero nakakaumay. Ang dami niyang, ang creamy niya sa loob. Mas gusto ko yung bakehouse sa Hong Kong, mga best.
Dami ko nakain doon sa Hong Kong.
Kaya kong magganyan ng 4 di sa upuan. Ito parang nauumay na ako. Half pa lang. For you to be able to go inside, may bayad. And magbayad ka lang naman sa parang, ayun o. So, it's like 500 each from 3 to 5 p.m. But I think you have to pay from 5 p.m. to 3 a.m. na 800. I think you can stay from 5 p.m. onwards as long as bayad ka na sa loob. Okay, so mali na naman po ang information na naibigay ko sa inyo at bilang nag-a-assume lang tayo. So, the fee over there is actually not the entrance fee but the parking fee. So, it's 500 yen for each car. Hindi per person. I think libre po ang entrance dito.
Sana parking.
Makikita mo yung lavender. Oh, ayan na oh. Wow! So, we're currently here in Horomi Pass. In the maps, it is Horomitoge. Horomitoge. I'm so sorry for my pronunciation, but it's Horomitoge Lavender Garden. And actually, kanina ko lang to nakita sa TikTok. And sakto, maganda daw ang bloom ng lavender during our visit. So, might as well take advantage of it, di ba? So, every July daw, mas maganda daw talaga yung bloom ng mga lavender dito sa area na to. So, di ba, sobrang swerte namin. So, yan, this is Horomi Pass, all. During the morning, sobrang ganda, sobrang soft ng aura niya. You can actually see the overlooking view of Sapporo City. In the evening naman, mas ma-appreciate mo rin yung buong Sapporo with its city lights. So, quick information about this place. It opens from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I think pwede rin naman ng gabi. Pwede rin kayo magstay dito sa gabi but parang observation area lang siya because hindi nakita yung mga lavender. But kita naman yung city lights. So, it starts blooming late June. Then, peak bloom is actually this month which is July. Then, mga early August, medyo nawawala na siya. So, again, during this month lang talaga yung pinaka-perfect na time to visit this place. I love it. So, sa mga magsasaporo dyan this month, puntahan nyo to kasi napakaganda. Free entry lang siya mga bestie ko. Parking fee lang yung may bayad.
I feel the most when I'm alone. Of you, 'cause when you're gone, I remember the feelings, they're hidden in the dark. I never left my feelings shown. I feel the most when I'm alone, but now the rush is longing to be waking up. I belong in your future, but I'm fighting
for the overnight parking. Number 3. Click 3, then F1. Yung blue.
Pa?
So, it's at 800. So, ohayo mga bestie ko. Good morning. Puro ng hair ko mga bestie ko. Sobrang bruha pa. Sa kotse na lang ako mag-aayos. But anyway, later na tayo magchikahan. First agenda for our day 3 is have a pit stop here in one or maybe the only most recommended matcha cafe or matcha place here in Sapporo. I've been searching matcha places to visit since yesterday and wala talagang as highly recommended as, you gets mo yun. Parang meron naman mga available but nothing is speaking to me. And this one is the only one. That's why I took the opportunity na bago kami mag-explore around Sapporo, try ko muna yung matcha nila here. So it's the Matcha Kyoto. So it's Kyoto based. May branch lang sila here. This is the menu. So this is their matcha latte. Meron silang 3 cultivars. Yabukita, Okomidori, Goku. And ayan yung taste profile niya. Ayan na rin yung price for your reference. They also have this one na matcha soft serve. Basta ang dami. Ayan. And aside from that, meron pa silang maraming mga ganap. Like ito, matcha beer, matcha Mont Blanc parfait. And ayan, mga tiramisu, slice cakes. May ibang drinks din sila aside from matcha, no? Then, take note, they're open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, I love it. So, take note, guys, hindi siya cash payment. Unless more than 2,000 ang iyong payment. Smells good. So, binigyan ako ng libreng cold brew sencha. Cheers! Oh, refreshing. Medyo pagka-bitter, pero okay lang na bitter, alam mo yun. Refreshing siya. Good. Wow! Nice. So this is the Goku, and this is the Komodoro. Yeah. Oh, it looks so good.
It is good.
Yeah. So here's my matcha. Hey, matcha girls. Anyway, let's try the matcha. Second time kong mag-soy milk with matcha. Ang soy parang hindi ko amats. But then, this is their only available vegan milk. Hindi ko kasi bet yung dairy milk talaga. Nasusuka ko. So, cheers! Sana masarap, Lord.
Kaya na, para maano ka na tayo.
Sarap. Bibili ko nga, tuna.
Sarap. Medyo sanay kasi ako sa may sugar. Hindi sila naglagay ng sugar. But I think if may sugar, perfect siya. But this one itself, it's actually so good. Grabe yung pagka-umami niya. And wala ka matitaste na bitter. Sarap. Tatry ako lang sa'yo. Mas mahal yung akin. So this one is the Okomodori with the dairy milk. Tignan natin kung kayanin ko yung dairy milk. Hindi. Ayan, yan yung nangyayari sa akin. Hindi ko kaya yung dairy milk. Hindi ko tuloy ma-appreciate yung matcha. Sana pala sinoy milk ko na lang din yan. At 100. Okay, so let's go. So our plan today, mga bestie ko, ito ang utang ko sa inyong information. We're supposed to go to Lake Toya and Hell Valley today. But from here, it's around mga 1 hour 40 minutes drive one way. And syempre senior na yung daddy ko. So we considered na we're just gonna pass it and just hit the places that is a little bit nearby Sapporo City para hindi masyadong maraming driving time, no? So, yun yung mangyayari sa amin for today. So, our first location will be the Odori Park. Of course, you cannot miss Odori Park. Para siyang Rizal Park ng Manila, ganon. Para siyang, ano pa bang mga park na iconic when you visit a place. Basta ganon, very iconic tong Odori Park because of its TV tower. Ipapasyal ko yun sa inyo later. So, ayan, Odori Park yaon. So, mahaba ang Odori Park, mga bestie ko. Ito yung mapa niya. And please, don't miss reaching the end point of Odori Park because, ayan, malapit na. Mas maganda yung view if mas malapit kayo sa TV tower. Yung TV tower, ayan, medyo na cover lang ng trees but it's just right in front of it. And ang maganda din dito, ayan, may mga parang pa flower display sila na ganito na may Sapporo branding. So, ayan siya, guys! place looks so pretty.
It's a summer vibe when it's just you and I. Take your time, it's your life when it's just you and I. It's a summer vibe, yeah, it just feels so right. So take your time when it's just you and I. Sunlight, my light, feeling
Lunch here in the Shiroy Coybita Park. I think marami namang restaurants around. Ay, may mga few lang pala. And one of this is this cafe called, nakalimutan ko na kung anong name. And we ordered, ayan, chicken and pasta, iced tea, and water. Ito ang aming bill, 2,600. Ito, 1,200. Ito, 950. Ito, 350. And ito, 130. Not bad. Not bad for a tourist attraction restaurant. O, kain na. Share kami ni Mama. Try natin chicken.
Topping siya, topping.
Sarap. Tasty. Walang wow factor. Tasty.
Oh, vlogger mo pala niya.
Sarap. I mean, hindi makarap. Parang normal lang. Pwede lang. So, ayan mga bestie ko. Oh my God. This place, sobrang overstimulating niya. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang breathtaking. As in, para kang nasa ibang mundo. Para kang nasa fairy tale book. Ganon. My goodness. So, this is Shiroy Coybito Park. Sobrang sikat nitong place na to because of its Hokkaido's famous Shiroy Coybito cookies. And kung nakikita nyo naman sa vibe outside, it is actually a European-inspired buildings na may beautiful gardens, and during this season, summer season, ang daming mga bulaklak around. As in, sobrang ganda ng feeling, ang ganda, nakakagaan sa feeling, seeing all these flowers everywhere. Take note din mga bestie ko, every hour, itong clock tower na to, may mga pa-moving figures and music. Short, simple event siya, na may pa-bubbles, tapos may mga moving na displays, ganyan. Diba it's such a vibe mga bestie girls. And yes, as mentioned earlier, kung mahilig kayo sa sweets or kung naghahanap kayo ng souvenirs, this is the place to be. It is home of the Hokkaido's famous Shiroy Coybito cookies. But for us kasi hindi talaga namin amat si mga ganito, so we came here for the vibe. Actually, mga bestie ko, last 2025, I visited this place as well, January. So winter siya. And ibang-iba yung vibe. I'll show you videos here. Ayan siya. It's giving Winterland, fantasy, ganun. Ngayon naman kasi pa-flower garden. So, 'di ba? Just in case you're also planning to visit this place on December or January or basically winter, ayan yung vibe niya. So, ibabalik na po namin yung car sa mismo kung saan namin pinick up yung car 3 days ago. Although mga bestie ko, we actually have 2 more days for our rent to expire. Pero we had a change of plan because tomorrow, instead of driving, nag-avail na lang kami ng tour because yung mga places na i-visit namin tomorrow is minimum 2 hours away. Then marami ding mga stops. So medyo nakakapagod i-drive ng dad ko. That's why after that, maaga na rin yung flight namin. That's why we don't have that time to return the car on that day, of course, and also tomorrow because whole day. And ang operating hours kasi ng rental shop is from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, alanganin yung time. That's why ngayon na namin siya ibabalik. But of course, like I mentioned on the previous vlog before, ibalik, make sure naka-full tank. So, ayan si Papa nagpo-full tank. Nagpapagas ngayon. Kasi kung hindi, meron po siyang fee. And discuss ko yan lahat sa previous vlog ko. So, check nyo na lang. Bye, car. We will miss you, car. Commute gaming na po tayo. Ayan mga bestie ko. Nireturn na namin yung car and they were telling us na wala daw to before. Pati yung gas-gas dito, wala daw. Now, nung chinek naman yung video, pambihira, hindi rin makita kasi by the sun, nagre-reflect. So, yun yung claim nila, yung ito daw, wala daw to before. Paano yun? Hindi nga kami nagasgas. Nakakaano naman. So, ayan daw, ito daw, wala daw to. Wala daw to. Paano yan maano? Sobrang dami kasing gasgas. Tapos yung mga ibang gasgas daw, galing daw sa amin. Ayan mga bestie ko, we are on our last full day here in Sapporo. And as I mentioned yesterday, I'm not sure if na-mention ko to yesterday, but we booked a tour going to the highlight of this trip, which is going to Forano. And the reason why we booked the tour because it's so malayo. It's so malayo. Ang layo niya, mga 2 hours minimum drive. Hindi siya kaya ni Papa. We booked our tour from Klook. I'll show you here. Ayan. The link is also on the description box below. Mga bestie ko, this is also part of my Klook Creator Shop wherein, ayan, buksan natin mang mabilisan. This is my creator shop, mga bestie ko, where all my recommended tours and activities are listed in all the destinations that I visited. So marami yan, mga bestie ko. There's Korea, Taiwan, Japan, Paris, and everything. Then if you will scroll down, you will see a lot of discount codes that you could redeem as early as now. So, diba, sakto yan, mga bestie ko. Hindi na kasi, diba, uso yung mga Klook code na calls Klook kasi limited to 1 use na lang. So, at least when you check my creator shop, marami ka pa rin mariredeem na mga discounts. And take note ha, pabago-bago yan on a regular basis. So, always check my creator shop here for, again, recommended tours and vouchers and discounts. So, yan, we booked this. It's around mga almost 3,000 pesos. And ito na yung inclusion. I'll show you. Ayan, hindi siya pick up and drop off. Specifically sa hotel ha. If you want, meron din, but mas mahal siya. For us, we chose the option na pick up sa Odori Station. There are 2 options kasi, Odori Station or Sapporo Station. Mas malapit sa amin yung Odori Station, which is 1 Uber away. That will cost us mga 1.5 yen only. Tatlo na kami niyan. So, ayan yung look ng aming pick up location. As in, katabing-katabi ng tower. So, at least, if may time, pwede pang mag-picture, pwede pang muni, ganon. Then, we left the pickup point at 8 a.m. Then, proceeded to our itinerary. So, our itinerary is here. I'll show you quickly. So, we will be visiting a lot of flower gardens and yung Shira whatever falls. I forgot the name, but ayan siya. Ayan, I'll show it here. So, yun lang naman. I'm super excited. Kasama ko sila mama and si papa. Ayan. Comfortable lang bus in fairness Like, pwede mo ma-recline. May enough leg space. Yun lang, walang chargeran. Sometimes kasi may mga bus na pwede kang mag-charge dito kasi wala. So yun. Only have an hour in this place. I feel like this is the main highlight of this trip, and wow, yun yung medyo disadvantage when you're taking the tour because limited lang yung time even though na you really wanna maximize the area because hello, wala namang ganito sa Pilipinas. 1 hour lang makukuha mo. So there are options para you get to go around. May parang tractor which is around mga 500 yen. 10 minutes lang daw siya na iikot around the whole area then babalik kung saan kagaling. The tour guide doesn't recommend it because yun nga, mabilis lang. Mas maganda if you just walk around. Which is tama nga naman. Mas maganda if you walk around because mas ma-appreciate mo yung mga flowers. Wow, ang ganda mga bestie ko. So nice. Like, I'm not sure if makikita to ng video itself because in actual, the colors are really vibrant. Ang dami nangyayari visually. And it's so pretty. It's really so pretty. Hindi nyo makita, no? Ang ito na angle ko. So nice. Look at the flowers. Oh, it's so pretty! Ang ganda, para ko na sa fairy tale. Oh my gosh, ang ganda guys. As in layers by layers by layers by layers by layers of pure nature. Wow. So ayan mga bestie ko, after our first location, lunch time na and we were given 1 hour as well to have our lunch. So we were dropped off here in this place called Urano. I forgot the name na, basta ayan yun na sa screen. Yan yung restaurant namin. And before you reach the restaurant, dadaan ka muna sa parang pa-souvenir shop. They gave you a discount coupon, 5% discount. Ayan. And maraming mga anik-anik, may mga labi. Basta pakita ko na lang sa inyo later after namin kumain. Now, the restaurant is on the 2nd floor. This is the whole look of the restaurant. Para lang siyang cafeteria. Walang mga waiter. Self-service lahat. So, you order self-service through a machine. Tapos, i-claim mo na lang once ready na. Then, that's it. Take note mga bestie ko, lunch is not included in the package that you bought. Okey-dokes. Grabe ka init kanina. But labanch na labanch ang mga fur zone. Si mama nagtatantrums na dahil. Mana pala ako sa kanya kasi yun din yung weakness ko. Na pag mainit, parang nawawala na ako sa sarili ko. Parang, ewan ko ba, parang kinakain ako ng lupa sa inis, ganun. Tapos minsan nga before, eto medyo na-solve ko na tong issue na to with myself. But before talaga, a few years back, magtatantrums talaga ako dahil like, tantrums, like, ay, ayoko na, uwi na tayo, ayoko na, gano'n.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
As in, tapos as in, banas talaga, ganun. So yeah, on my observation, it's hotter here comparing it to Sapporo City. Mas mainit talaga dito. Tirik ang araw, day. Lunch is served. Sila mama and papa lang kumain. So what did you order pa?
Chicken teriyaki.
Chicken teriyaki, tapos
Curry.
beef curry. Magkano total bill nyo?
Ano, 1, 3, mga 2, 2, 5, mga 2, 5, mga 2,000.
Try ko ang curry ni mama. Ano to? Pork curry?
Beef.
Beef curry pala,
Pork,
sorry.
pork.
Pork.
Isip na kamatis.
Mm.
Kamatis natin. Tingnan mo.
Iba talaga. Iba talaga curry ng Japanese. Ang sarap. Diba curry ng Japanese, no?
Japanese yun eh. Oh.
Yung spices niya. So habang naghihintay matapos kumain sila mama, chikahin ko na lang kayo about the area we are currently in. So yes, we are here in Furano, mga besti ko. It is 2 hours away from Sapporo. And during summer destinations here in Sapporo, ito talaga yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang destinations to visit. So if you're visiting during summer, please don't miss visiting this area because mga besti ko, nakita nyo pa lang naman sa first destination natin, napakaganda na. It is very well known with its lavender fields, colorful flower gardens, tulad ng nakita natin kanina, yung mga fresh local produce, and mga besti ko, stunning mountain views. Nakikita nyo naman din, di ba kanina, yung on the way pa lang kami sa first destination. Breathtaking na talaga yung mga nakikita natin from the bus itself. So, best month to visit this area is around July to early August. So, perfect timing talaga kami. Now, fun facts about Furano, aside from the colorful flowers and everything, they're also known for their fresh Furano melons. And ayan sila mama, kakatapos lang nilang kainin yung melon nila. Kamusta ang melon?
Super tamis.
Super tamis daw. Sobrang tamis. Patry nga ako konti. Wala na. Ubus na. But yes, they're also known for their lavender soft serve ice cream as well. So gusto ko din yan i-try later. So bibili kami ng ice cream. We have your lavender ice cream at saka meron. Ayan, melon ice cream. So tigpa 500. Let's do it.
No milk?
So let's do 500. Maling desisyon na lumabas para kumain ng ice cream. Kasi ang bilis matunaw. Ba't di namin naisip yun? Gusto kasi namin ng fresh wind while enjoying our ice cream. But anyway, melon versus lavender. I like the lavender more than the melon. It's less sweet. And iba, kakaiba yung lasa niya. Yung melon kasi parang candy yung lasa na ice cream, ganun. So yan, we're here in the souvenir area below the restaurant and just in front of the gate. Ayun, ang daming mga anik-anik mga bestie ko. As in, from, ayan o, mga Sanrio characters to maraming mga lavender products. As in, sobrang dami. And may mga melon products din as well, of course. So, ang dami, mga pasalubong, mga snacks, mga accessories, mga, ayan o, plushies na maliliit. Price reveal lang tayo ng kaunti. So, for example, medyo mamahal siya eh. Hand cream, 770. Ay, not bad, no? Cute. Then, for example, to 2,970. Sanrio kasi, day. So, ito, may mga parang mga beauty products sila, like horse oil for 6,600. UV mist, 5,500. Water cream, 5,500. Taray. Then, for example, itong mga snacks, ito, kung ano man to, 2,1. Ayan, may mga cutesy snacks as well. Daifuku, 486. Ito, matcha, 756. Furano print cookie. Cute, oh. Ganyan itsura niya, mga bestie ko. It's at 648. Meron din silang lavender choco sand na 800. Oh, bili-bili na. Live selling yarns. This one as well, they have this Hokkaido cheese. Hokkaido Limited. 864. Taray. Si mama nabubudol. nabubudol itry. Try lang naman. So let's try. Ang baho nito, tinry ko to. UV mist, parang amoy laway.
Yan baka ito yun.
Ito yun eh. Parang amoy pawis or amoy pawis na 5.5 siya. So this one, we tried it in our face. UV mist with 30 plus SPF. 5,500. Try natin to. Horse oil. Horse oil moisture cream. Ayan. Try natin ang bilang wala tayong dalang lotion at dry ang skin natin. Uy, ganda sa space sa ano.
Oil.
Kaya mo kami ni Mama.
May libreng lotion
Amoy lavender na kami.
Libre.
Papasok na
Ito,
haggard,
mabango.
lalabas na fresh. Thank you po, lavender.
Up in a painted cup, I will pour my love from a cloud above. So bright I can see the lights taking you up and above the blue sky. Tastes good to be drinking all of the honey sweet brew of ours. Up in a painted cup, right in the sky like a firefly. Like a firefly. I believe to believe is to feel the fire grow within. I believe to believe is to see how the present.
We're here and one of the highlights of this trip, and wow, ang laki pala niya. 45 minutes lang kami dito. So, ayan. Ang daming mga areas. We have, ayan o, zoom in ko na lang mga bestie ko. We have lavender, white birch, hilltop, forest field. Basta, ayan o, ang dadami. I'm not sure if we could hit everything here because of the limited time, but let's go.
Like a firefly. I believe to believe is to feel the fire grow within. I believe to believe is to see how the present comes from dreams. Color in my life.
So, ayan mga bestie ko, we are now ending our tour. Puro B-roll tayo for the past seconds because sobrang bilis talaga ng mga pangyayari. Like, ang limited lang ng time each location. And of course, tatlo kaming nagtutulungan mag-picture-picture, mag-video-video. So, wala talaga akong time mag-vlog. But anyway, discuss ko na lang din quickly. So, for this itinerary mga bestie ko, we first went to Shikisai no Oka. It is a symbolic flower field in BA, mga bestie, known as God's Palette. Makikita mo naman, it's very famous during the summer because of its flower fields, also known for it, also called as City of Hills. Then after that, we had lunch, as you saw earlier, then proceeded to Shirogane Blue Pond. Very dreamy, very blue na lake in BA, na para bang nasa Apple Max system wallpaper ka. Yun lang medyo maraming tao. But if you're just gonna focus on the view itself, it's very beautiful. It was a quick 30 minutes stay lang on that area. Then we proceeded to Shirahage Waterfall, which is another 30 minutes stay as well. Ito naman si Shirahige Waterfall. Parang overview siya. Para siyang overview from the bridge. And breathtaking mga bestie ko. Makikita mo kung gaano ka-clear and blue yung water. Tapos yung daloy ng falls. Alam mo yun? It just feels so good to look at it. Then after that, ito na ang isa sa mga highlights, which is the farm Tomita. Medyo bitin kami sa stay namin dito because we were only given 45 minutes na stay. And ang laki ng area. As in, super laki ng area. Like, meron sa right, meron sa left. Ayan yung map. Diba? Ang laki niya. So, hindi siya sapat for 45 minutes. This place is actually the symbol of Furano, Hokkaido because it is the birthplace of the lavender in Japan, mga bestie ko. Free yung entry niya just in case you wanna DIY it. And ayan, hindi lang lavender yung makikita nyo, kundi yung mga rainbow flower fields and a lot of, basta ang daming bulaklak, mga bestie ko. Then now, it's currently 6:53 and I think we're almost there sa Sapporo City. Medyo delayed daw kami ng kaunti, but it's okay. So yeah, look at the sunset. It's so pretty. Ending our day here in Sapporo. The sunset here in Sapporo. Enjoy ka kahit tinopak. medium luggage kasha dito. Kina Papa, isang medium tsaka isang hand carry kasha dito. 600 to. This is 500 for the first 6 hours. Now, after the 6 hours, every 24 hours na yung charge. This one is additional 600. This one is additional 800. So now, here's how we pay. Pagpasok ng luggage, ayan, close the door, click mo yung lock. So, nag-lock siya. Then, we pay. Dito tayo magpo-pay sa machine na to. English tayo. Confirm, 2103.
Confirm that the box number displayed on the screen is
Confirm.
Please select the method to pay the fee.
Cash.
Cash, okay.
Ayan, o. Bayad
Please
yan ng cash
insert
pa.
cash.
Ilang oras yan?
6 hours.
Ay, sobra. Ay, kulang.
Okay lang. Magbabayad ka na lang ulit pag kuha nyo ng luggage. So, yung excess, mga bestie ko, babayaran nyo na lang siya after nyo kunin yung luggage. So, may change, 400.
Please wait until
Now,
the blue light
ayan,
flashes
this one.
before taking.
Be
Thank
sure
you for
to keep
using.
this. Very important na makip mo to kasi ay masyadong hassle pag nawala nyo to. This is the
Touch
one
the
that you're gonna
applicable
use
button.
para maklaim nyo ulit yung luggage nyo because with this QR code, dito nyo siya isa-scan. Kung kukunin nyo na, scan nyo here, then magbabayad kayo ng additional, depende kung gaano katagal nyo iniwan yung luggage nyo, then dun nyo na makukuha yung luggage nyo inside. Again, keep this. Don't lose this. Ayan o. This receipt is required to open the locker. QR code on the receipt to open locker. Ayan. Now, kunwari, naiwan nyo. I think may tatawagan sila eh. Basta nag-ask ako doon sa information kung paano i-claim. Tapos, tumawag sila. Tapos, may mga kuya na nag-help. But, I had to pay additional. I actually created a TikTok video about that. Check nyo na lang sa aking TikToks. But, ayun na. Okay na.
Okay.
Take note, ang picture nyo, 2103. 2102 ako. And it's just outside the train station and Terminal 2 na area. I'll show it to you later. So, ayan mga bestie ko. Just in case you wanna leave your luggage here in the airport, dito namin iniwan yung amin. So, this is the train station. It's located Terminal 2 building. This floor is in B1F. So, on the right side, ayan na yung mga coin lockers. Marami pa yan. Aside from this, meron pa dun. So, perfect siya for us, for example, since we will only be spending 2 days in Tokyo and ang laki ng luggage namin, di ba? So, we don't need the whole thing with us. Kaya iniwan na lang namin dito because after 2 days, babalik din naman kami dito. Dito rin naman ng aming departure going back to the Philippines. So, ayan ang train station. Yay! Morning! Ohio! So, this is our last day. Actually, hindi last day. Departure day na nila mama. And we're currently here in Tokyo already, mga bestie ko. Yesterday, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi pagod na pagod. Ang hirap talaga pala mag-content creation at mag-lead ng tour. Hindi ko kinakaya. Ang sakit talaga ng bato ko yesterday. So, anyway, from Sapporo, we traveled back to Tokyo. Then, ayun, ito yung medyo hassle kasi we commuted from Tokyo to our hotel and medyo maraming mga lipat-lipat na mga station. So, yun, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Ayan sila Papa and Mama. So, ngayon ang agenda is mag-shopping for the last time. Then, diretso agad sa airport. Ayan yung luggage na dala-dala namin here in Tokyo. Dala na din namin para hindi na bumalik sa area na to. We actually booked our place here in Hop-In, Idabashi. And okay naman siya. Like gitna naman siya ng lahat. Yun lang. Ang cons lang siguro is ang dami mong lilipatan na train. And as a trentahin, parang napapagod na ako sa mga ganyan. Gusto ko isang sakay lang, gano'n. But I mean, you're in Tokyo. That's very normal when you commute. Here, talagang inevitable talaga na maglipat-lipat ka ng train. But ang maganda here is, gitna siya. Like, 30 minutes away lang siya from Shibuya. That's where we went yesterday. Then, 30 minutes away lang din from Ueno, if I'm not mistaken. Basta, ayan, I'll show you the maps here. And, di ba? Not bad. So, ayan, ihatid ko na sila. Pasok kayo, line 2. Sama yun, number 2.
Line 2?
Oo. Tapos, 320 ha. Kung may dumating before 320, hindi nyo yun. Oo. Number 59 Skyliner, 320 to Narita Airport.
Number 59.
Terminal, oo.
Number 59.
Terminal 2 kayo ha.
Terminal 2.
Terminal 2.
Ano yung 1 and 2 na yan?
Line 2 nga kayo.
Line door.
Mm-mm.
Pwede yan.
Ayan, kinakabahan na si Papa. Ngayon lang siya mag-lead. Yan lang naman. Oo, ayan. Oo. Merong escalator, merong elevator. Line 2.
Line 2.
1, 2, sa 2 kayo. Okay? O, babay na, babay na.
Lagi na.
Babay pa.
Update na ha.
Oo, oo, oo.
Love you.
Love you. Okay, so here we go. Ano mag-isa?
Promise I love you. What to do? You got me bound. Make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? I want you. I want you.
You're stuck inside my head. Oh, I can't stop thinking about all the words you said. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound. Make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now?